Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Devlog-6. It's been more than 2 weeks since my last devlog. What can I say? This last 2 weeks has been crazy for me. For a lazy person like me, I have done a lot of multitasking. I even become a secretary of a programming club of my university. Wow. And also took training session on beginner programming with C language for new members of the club. This was last week, Thursday, and I even gonna take another session today this evening. Cool, right? I really hope I do something right for them. And because of all of this, I couldn't do as much work as I should have for my project. But anyway, in my last devlog, I showed you an unfinished project, which is this one. And today I'm going to show you the complete version of that project. So let me show you. Let's play the game. And this time when you will play the game, you will have a main menu. In last devlog I told you that I haven't created it, so this time it has a main menu, two buttons in it, start and exit button will of course exit the game, but if you click on the start button, the game will start. This game is actually like a Subway Surfer game. I'm sure all of us has played that game already. So yeah, the player will be able to switch lanes between three lanes in here, and there are coins and power-ups. The power-ups I have added very recently. So the power-ups will let you jump high. This sorry, there are two kinds of power-ups. One is the boost power-up, which will let you jump very high, and the another one is the magnet power-up, which I couldn't find. Well, let's go front and find it what. And of course these coins, you have to collect them as much as you can to increase your point, and also as much as you will go forward, you will see that the speed of the game is increasing. Okay, I have found several boosts but no magnets so far. What is that? Boost again. Only boost. Okay, game, what the hell is wrong with you? Oh, so here is the magnet power up. So this power up will let you collect the coins and you'll go around them, and there you go, the power up is down again. So the power ups will work for 30 seconds after has been activated, and after that the power will be gone and you will have to move on your own. And of course, wow, nice. And there is this pause menu option. So in here you can press on this button to pause the game for a while, and there's two buttons, continue or leave. So continue and oh shit. Okay, and if you hit by any of the obstacles, there are two kinds of obstacle. I have told you about it in my last video, which is a pipe obstacle, and another one is box one, and I think here is the one. So this is the one. If you hit by them, the game will over and you will be given two options, either restart or main menu. Click on restart button and the game will start again. And of course there is a leave button, and click on exit. The game is over. So this is the final product, and of course final means it has a starting point and also a ending point. Of course, I can always add more features, more graphics in this game, and I really hope to do that in future. And when I do, I will come back to you with updates. So, oh, one more thing, you can download my game. The link is in the description, and also the link of the tutorial series that I followed to create this game is also in the description. So if you're interested, you can check it out. So let me know in the comments what you think of my game. Like this video if you think this is a good one, and also if you want to see more videos like this one, then you can subscribe to my channel. And that's it for this video. Thank you all for watching. See you again in next video. Till then, goodbye.